everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on steering in reverse using hand-over-hand steering. It's actually a really simple method and effective method for steering in reverse. Now let's get right to it. Here's the steering wheel. I'm going to start off by showing you the very simple basics of hand-over-hand steering. Let's get right to it. Here's the steering wheel. You're going to have your hands spaced equally apart towards the top of the steering wheel. I like to use roughly the 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock position. This hand right here is on the 10 o'clock position if this were a clock, and this hand right here is on the 2 o'clock position, just like this, okay? But you can use anywhere around the top portion of the wheel, just like that. Now, before you actually start using hand over hand, I want you to just turn the wheel a little bit to the right and the left like that. Get a feel for moving your hands in this direction, because that's what you're going to be doing with hand over hand steering. You're going to be moving your hands along this path right here. Now, this is how hand over hand steering works. I'm going to start off by taking my right hand, gripping the steering wheel, and I'm going to use my right hand first to turn left, okay? So I'm going to release my left hand from the steering wheel. I'm using my right hand to bring the wheel over to the left. My left hand goes over the right, and then my right hand goes under, over, just like that, okay? Now, on the other hand, if I wanted to turn to the left, to the right, if I wanted to turn to the right, I would then use my left hand first. So my right hand is going to release, my left hand is going to go just like that, my right hand is going over, under, just like that. That's hand over hand steering. Now, it's very effective because you can, number one, always maintain control of the wheel, and you're always maintaining a good hand positioning. So right here, you can see I always have control. I can go backwards or forward if I need to within just a moment, okay? Just like that. I can go back and forth. So if I'm turning left and then, I have to go right, I can just turn it back like that. And also, it allows you to move the steering wheel really quickly. Check this out. Check that speed out right there. You can move the steering wheel really quickly, which is very effective for many different situations. Whether you need to move the wheel quickly or you just want to. It's as simple as that. Now let's mix that hand over hand steering with the idea of reversing. So right now I'm parked in a parking spot. It's a relatively empty parking lot. And what we're going to start off by doing is we're going to reverse out of the parking spot, okay? Then I'm going to show you how to steer to the left, to the right. Then I'm going to reverse into a parking spot, all using hand over hand steering. Now before I start, obviously I'm going to get my seatbelt and put my seatbelt on because it's very important for safety concerns and for safety factors. Now let's get right to it. Foot is on the brake, putting it in reverse. This is an automatic car, but because this is a steering lesson, it pretty much, even if you're driving a manual car, you can easily use the same method. You're just going to have to work the clutch and shift through the gears and so forth. Well, reverse is only one gear, so it's as simple as that. All right, we are in reverse. Now I'm going to be reversing to the right now, okay? So I'm going to put my right turn signal on. I'm going to be reversing out of this parking spot. Before I actually start reversing, I'm looking around, making sure there's no pedestrians, no traffic, no obstructions, anything like that. And like I said, I'm in an empty parking lot, so there isn't anyone or anything here for the most part. 2 hands on the wheel, turning around just like this, reversing. Now, if there was cars beside me, I'm going to reverse quite a bit before I start turning the wheel. Now, I'm going to turn the wheel a little bit because I don't want to scrape the imaginary car beside me. And as I clear that imaginary car, hand over hand, look at how sharp I could turn the wheel, just like that. Now, put it in drive, left turn signal on, and we're off, just like that. We're off, and we're driving in the parking lot. Now, I'm going to come to a stop because this video is about reversing, not driving. So I'm going to put the car in reverse once again. Let's say I wanted to reverse to the left, around a corner towards the left, around an obstacle towards the left. The car's in reverse. I'm looking behind me. I'm good to go. Watch how sharp you can make this turn with hand over hand steering. How quickly I was able to make that turn. Check that out. I'm going to straighten the wheel out and we'll do it one more time. Just like this, okay? Check out how sharp I'm able to make that turn. Just like that. I'm going to do a little bit of like a box. So I'm going to straighten it out one more time. Another sharp turn, just like that. Okay? We're continuing to reverse straight, and then one more, just like that. So as you can see, reversing to the left is easy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just almost do like a little bit of a figure 8. So I'm going to reverse to the left, and then I'm going to actually reverse to the right to form a figure 8. Now check this out. Watch how quickly I can do a full turn just like that. And I'm going to reverse to the right now. So I'm doing the same thing, reversing to the right. We're going to sort of create a box. just like I did before. And I feel this is a very useful exercise for actually learning how to use hand over hand steering when in reverse. Because creating a box is simple. You basically do 4 90-degree turns and you're able to create a box just like that. And it allows you to practice steering quickly with hand over hand steering and at the same time reversing to the right and to the left. Okay? So now that we've used hand over hand steering for reversing to the right, to the left, reversing out of a parking spot, we're actually just going to finish up by reversing into a parking spot just like this. So I'm going to actually put the car in drive. We're going to position ourselves to reverse into a parking spot. So right now, I've come to complete stop. I'm going to put my my right signal on because I'm reversing to a parking spot on the right. Put the car in reverse. I will continue reversing until it makes sense to turn the wheel. And then when you're ready to turn, just like that. So I'm reversing to this parking spot on the right now. And now that my car is straight, watch how quickly I can straighten out the wheel using hand over hand steering. The wheel is straight, just like that. Very simple. Now, I'm going to do one more time, but I'm going to show you how you can use hand over hand steering to not have to stop during the reversing process. So right there, I actually came to a stop before I straightened out the wheel. So check this out. I'm going to put the car in reverse, right signal on. Okay, we're going to go into that parking spot. So just like that. And then straighten out the wheel, just like that. One more time, just because I really want to emphasize how useful this steering method is for reversing, okay? So, right signal on, car is in reverse. We are reversing into the parking spot right over here, hand over hand to bring the wheel to the right all the way. Now that my car is straight, we straighten out, and just like that, we're in the parking spot. And it's literally that simple. That is how to steer in reverse using hand over hand steering. I can't emphasize this enough. It is one of the most useful and most effective steering methods for the reasons that I've outlined in this video. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. What are some other tips for reversing and steering while reversing using hand over hand steering? Let me know as a comment down below. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.